Hi, welcome to Cheddas Auto. Today we're working on a third gen Accord, 3Gs, 1986 to 1989 Honda Accord. This short shifter is developed specifically for this chassis. I just want to show the fitment. First of all, I've already installed it into the linkage. There's a locking nut underneath the part that allows you to rotate the shifter left or right to user comfort. Currently I have it pointed towards the driver a little bit, and it's been tightened in place. You can see the adjustment nut is right here, so by loosening this, you can spin this part outwards, and the further you spin it out, the shorter the throw. Once you've got it to a position where you'd like, tighten the nut. Install, test. This part here will be somewhat parallel to the shaft so that the handle faces towards you. So now that it's tightened, we're going to put the console back into place. The handle height is just about the same height as stock. So you can just thread the knob on, OEM or aftermarket, lock it in place, and there you go. Now it's back into position. Now that you have the shifter back in place, you can test the throw. The throw is about 20% shorter than stock. You can adjust the bottom linkage to make it a little bit shorter than that. There's some contact issues with the linkage arms. If you go too far, you can test it until you get the shortest throw you want. I currently have it set here. This is where I like it. It's probably about approximately 20% shorter than stock. Currently you can see that the aftermarket shifter is already installed. To remove the stock shifter, remove the console, the boot, and inside of this location right here, you'll see a snap ring. Remove that snap ring with a set of snap ring pliers. Go underneath the car. There's one bolt that goes through the bottom of the shifter. It's an 8mm. The heads are 12mm. Remove the bolt from the bottom of the linkage, and then push the shifter, or pull the shifter through the console. The snap ring is removed. Now you can pull the whole assembly out, just like that. Simple, right? And reinstall the new one with the dust boot and washer. Reinstall the snap ring and put the bolt into the linkage on the bottom side. Thanks for watching today on how to install your short shifter. I hope everything goes smoothly. Feel free to comment or message me personally on Facebook. And thank you for purchasing.